Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Chomp Jr. axe in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this. So to begin, let's draw one of the sections on the spear first. So this is going to be right underneath the shark, so just draw a bracket and then just close it off. And then we're just going to kind of come down. So this is a spear on the bottom, and we just close that off. So once we've drawn this part, now we can draw the shark itself. So for the shark, you want to draw a little slant, just kind of like all the way around. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit longer on the other side. And then let's go ahead and draw in the mouth. So this way is a little bit easier. So we just kind of come up a little bit, and then we're going to draw in the jaw sector, the mouth opening. Okay, and then we're going to go up. This is going to be the tip of this nose. And let me draw in some teeth so that we know where we are. And this one looks like got much longer teeth on the bottom. So it's a little bit different. And then here, we just draw in some teeth on the top. Just a few. All right. Now we know where we are. So let's go ahead and finish up the body. So from here, we're just going to go back in. Okay, so just try to get a nice curve, and then we're gonna keep going back. Let's try to get a nice taper. Just kind of round that off a little bit. All right, so that's the overall shape of the shark. So let's see, while we're back here, let's go ahead and finish up the tail then. So for the tail is easy. We're just gonna come up, and then we're gonna come back down to this point and just give a little bit of a, looks like a little bit of a bite mark there. And then on the bottom it's easy. We're just gonna curve it. And there's gonna be one more, but it's on the side, so we can't see much of it. So I'll just draw a little line. All right, so after that, let's draw in, let's go ahead and finish up the eye then. So let's draw a circle, and then maybe I'll just have it looking forward. And then the nose, we'll just draw a little dot there. And then he's got some gills here, so we just got 1, 2, and 3. And then for his fin, just draw in a little line like this. All right, so now we're gonna continue the spear. So follow through this line, and then we just kind of go up. Okay, and this line here, just try to follow it a little bit, and then we just gotta draw a nice sharp tip. So after the tip of the spear, now it's easy to draw this other fin. So you can just draw in a line like this and just give a little bit of a angle. Okay, and then once we have that, we're just gonna curve it back to the body. All right, and there's gonna be one more fin on the back here. And now I can move on to the spear. So we kind of started it, right? So we're gonna draw another section here, same as that. Draw a little bracket, just close it. Now for this part, there's a lot of ropes going around. So I am just going to have it go straight down. So this is, and if you're doing this with pencil, you can erase it because we're gonna have the ropes going around it. So I'm gonna close that off. And then now for the ropes, it's actually very easy. All you have to do is just go around, past the lines and just round it off. And I'm gonna draw another one there. Okay. So let's see, let's finish up the top here. So there's a little ring here. Draw a little circle, and I'm gonna draw the outside ring. And then there's gonna be a rope on it, so just gonna have it go back to the spear. Okay, and then I'll draw another loop here. All right, and then for the rest of the ropes, so here, this one's gonna curve, and then from here, this one's gonna curve like this, so it looks like it's being skewed. Okay, and then for the other one, it's gonna be easier. It's just gonna be, just draw these lines and just give these brackets. Okay, so one, I'm just gonna keep going. And then you just erase out the other lines. And then let's see, I'm gonna draw one more section here. This looks like it's part of rope. And then I'm gonna keep going down one more section, close that off, and then just a little bit of rope on the bottom, just kind of connecting. So we'll just draw a little curve like this. And that is it for this Chomp Jr. axe. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.